Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, yesterday I did a review. Well, actually it was a haul on Lilac Street faux lash extension clusters. That's what I have on. And people have been asking me how long do they stay on. Well, yesterday was my first time putting them on. And it was easy to put them on, but I didn't apply them the way that they suggest you apply them. You're supposed to apply them up under your lashes, okay? I put them on top because I was scared I was going to poke myself in the eye with those tweezers they give you. But anyway, I'm going to take them off. And I have on the 14 millimeter French lace lashes. Y'all see how long they are? And they're kind of too long for me. Because, you know, I ain't one of them fly girls. I don't do that. So I got these also in 12 millimeters. So I'm going to take these off using something called CIAO for now Lilac Lash Remover. It came in the kit I bought. It's my first time using this, y'all. I looked at a video of somebody using this, and they said I'll show you how this looks. It's like a comb. They said first use the top part of this wand on your lashes, and then use the comb to gently comb through your lashes. It's a comb on the bottom of here. So I'm using this mirror. And this lash the glue or anything doesn't touch my lash line or anything. It's on top of my natural lash. Not touching my skin at all. No smell to this either. A lot of times people are allergic to glues and things you put on your eyes, and sometimes the fumes from it can make your eyes water. So this is supposed to remove the adhesive and not take out your lashes. These are some pretty lashes, y'all. I have, last night I washed my face. I used a eye makeup remover that I wasn't supposed to use because what I used had oil in it to get off my mascara. I took a shower and the water was running on my face, and these lashes are still holding strong. So now I'm going to comb through it and see if I can get these lash clusters off. This is real time. I'm not going to speed it up. If it don't come off easy, then I'll just use some Vaseline, because grease will loosen that adhesive. I ain't trying to take out my lashes. I'm trying to be cute. This stuff is supposed to be oil free, I thought. Put some nice little sheen on here. Let it sit. Let me use the comb. I ain't never seen no comb this tiny before. Look at that, it's a comb. And I see the solution on it. Oh. When I'm combing it up this way, it feels like nappy hair. Oh, there go one. I'm gonna keep my stuff, honey. That was when I put 3 clusters on each eye. Trying to be gentle. Like I said, I ain't trying to lose my lashes, trying to be cute. Oh, there go another one. Cluster. I think I can pull it off. Okay, that's the other one. Show you how it looks. Let's see if any glue on here. Yes, I feel glue on my lashes. Well, I'll let that sit and let it work while I take the other one off the other eye. Lashes make a big difference. Look at that. There's no fumes. My eyes ain't watering. It don't hurt or nothing. Okay. Do this eye. So I believe these would have stayed on quite a few days if I wasn't taking them off. But I'm showing y'all that this stuff works. I wasn't sure about it at first. So I come through here. So I see some black glue. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use some Vaseline. I got some sitting here. Vaseline. Well, the Equate brand. It's still Vaseline. Anything look like this. All petroleum jelly is Vaseline as far as I'm concerned. Now I bought a new phone to screen all these call blocking calls, and I've been blocking calls like crazy. It's helped a lot. We're still getting calls. Okay, I'm not gonna put this on this eye. I don't want to contaminate what's in this. So I'm gonna work on this other eye again. And Walter has blocked a couple of my daughter's phone numbers. He don't recognize the numbers. If the name don't show up, he don't know the number. He blocking them. My 2 older daughters. I'm trying to take all day doing this. But I wanted to show y'all how this works. And I'm learning too. Let's see, can I pull this off or comb it off? I'm fascinated by these lashes. Let me see. They're ready to fall off. Yep. Another 14mm cluster. Yep. And I don't see none of my lashes attached to it. It didn't come out. I'm gonna clean these off. I'm gonna save them. Put them back in the case. They're not supposed to be oily, the stuff I put on here, but it is. It feels oily. Thought it was oil free. I'm trying to feel the glue. I want to get all the glue off before I put the others on. I'll put some Vaseline on this side too. Or grease. I peeled off my most of my nail wraps. I couldn't get this thumb, so I have to use polish remover. Oh, I should have just got a regular spoolie. Oh, I feel that adhesive. Okay. You can use Vaseline, y'all, or any kind of grease. I guess you can use baby oil. Yeah, it's coming off. So. It's coming off. Okay. Didn't take my lashes out. I'm gonna get all this glue off. Yeah. So that's mainly what I wanted to show y'all in this video. I'll do another video of me applying these 12mm lashes. Just like the others, I just took off. But they're 2mm shorter. And I could probably take a 10mm. Because I ain't trying to be out there. I just want to enhance what the Lord has blessed me with, okay? So when y'all see me putting on makeup and hair and stuff, I'm just enhancing. Somebody had accused me of trying to be young. Isn't that stupid? Just cause I want to look as good as I can look. They say I'm trying to be young. I certainly don't dress young. I don't wear them young folks' clothes. I don't know what they're talking about. You know, well, I have seen some older people trying to dress young. Clothes that weren't age appropriate or size appropriate. And I'm big myself, so I can say that. Okay? So don't jump on me about talking about big people. I'm a big, beautiful woman, and I think I dress appropriately. It's kind of a rant, huh? I didn't start out. Okay, I feel it coming off. It's loose. So Vaseline will do it. So I'm going to finish getting off the glue, and I'm going to condition my lashes, and I will be back showing you how I put on these lash clusters. Okay, so thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day.